Alright, so we are doing an updated video. Hello Joyce, so this is responding to your video on how much electric I think it would take to keep this plugged in. So I'll do the math. Right now it's charging, which is taking about 14.3 volts, or 13.3 watts of electricity. So I'm going to go do the math, add it up, and see how much it costs us with it charging. Now, of course, once the battery's fully charged, it's not going to be taking that much watts. It'll take some to maintain it, but it won't take as much. So we'll figure out once it's fully charged. So now with it plugged in all the time and it's charged, it's taking less than 1 watt, so therefore it's not even showing up. So pretty much it could be 0.9999999 whatever, and it won't show up because it's under 1 watt. So it's pretty much using nothing. I mean, even 5 watts 24 hours a day doesn't add up to that much per year. So pretty much when the charge drops down, it might jump to 14 watts for a split second to top it off, but it won't ever be a lot of watts at one time other than when it's charging. So yeah, so let's take the calculator here. Let's say that it used 9 watts every hour. And as you saw, when it's charging, it's 14 watts, and it doesn't take all day to charge. It takes, I think, like an hour or two. So after that, it's not even 1 watt. But let's just say 9 watts, that's how much you'd pay per month. Less than $1 and less than $9, well, less than $10 per year. And that's at 9 watts. So, we could easily average and say it's probably, if you take the 14 watts and then the pretty much 0, it's probably 5 watts. You could calculate, so less than $6 a year. So not too bad.